Ready? Action. I don't need to yell because it's right here. So here we go. This is why I wear the hat. This is my friend Susan. My name is Jim with a Y. All right, so today is May 11th. May 11th, day before Mother's Day. And what we did is we did East Coast swing, American rhythm. We kept it simple, but we did talk a little bit about some jive technique we're going to talk about. How did you feel about that? A little bit? Okay. So what we're going to do with the jive technique is when the music gets fast, we tend to lose the chasse and we tend to go back to our single time swing. So what we can do is if the music is too fast, we can actually just do, we call flicks, I call kicks, okay? So we're going to do the basics, so go back with that right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so watch, we'll do with the ladies part, right there, ready? So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and back, rock, 1, 2, 3, 4. And as the music gets faster and then we get more control because we talked about getting the center right and where you want to have it. I'm not going to talk about it. You had to be at the class. Ooh, right? But once we start getting that idea of where we're going to be putting our weight, 1, 2, we can actually create a little bit more of a jive action, and that's where it comes from. Okay, so what we did, and then from there, we did the throw out. Now, the thing about the throw out is that people literally think it's throwing the lady out. And what they tend to do, sorry, Susan, what they do is they take that right hand and they bring her out, okay? So what we did as a practice is we didn't even use the hand to bring it out. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. So that was all because of the body action, which doesn't inflict that kind of stress onto the body. Watch again. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Now we're in the throw out position. Susan's right leg is free. My left leg is free. And we're going to do not a back rock, but a side rock. So we do a side rock. She chasses in front of me, and then she chasses behind me. And we talked about how to actually ask the lady to go without really pulling her. How much energy am I using against this? She's doing all the work. This is so easy for me. All I got to worry about is my own body, right? So here we go. And then what we did is we ended it with a inside underarm turn. And what we did is we talked about when we finally got to this position, my hand was in a good position to do this. I do that side rock. And what tends to happen is, could you just spin as you're moving like normal? Ready? So as we're doing it, as we're coming in, this is what tends to happen. And we get the whole turn. So what we did is we're going to discipline ourselves. We're going to do the side rock, chasse, turn, finish the chasse. Okay? So that's slow. Can you do it faster? Yeah, here we go. Here we go. So we do 1, 2, triple, turn, and triple. See how fast that was? Cool. Thank you, Susan. Thank you, everybody.